Welcome. In front of me is an Itel S24 and today I will show you how you can insert a SIM card into this device. So to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool like this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Next, if you have a case on your device, you do need to take it off, and the tray is going to be located at the top left side of the phone. So right over here. You want to push it in, and when you do so, the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now on the tray you'll have space for SIM and SD card, so I'm going to grab one. There we go. So place each one of the cards, or two SIM cards if you want to use both. Obviously you can if you want to. On the tray. There we go. Now keep in mind that the SIM card, one of them will be with the cutout on the corner on the top right side, or on the left side I mean, and the other one will be at the bottom right side. So they're kind of like just twisted. Anyway, next, insert it back into your device. As you can see, the card starts to work immediately. So I need to confirm my SIM card PIN. That unlocks my SIM card, and the SD card should work as well, which we do have a notification somewhere here. Let's try that again. So not this one. Oh, there we go, Samsung SD card. So it is detecting that there is a SIM card or SD card inserted as well. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.